Watering the kids. Watering the kids. Set notifications when certain prices get low and high. That way you know how and when the trade can go the opposite direction, or your investment, your money. For instance, Tesla. It gave everybody a Christmas gift. Take profits on around the 24th of December. It hit about 500. You sell off, a little half of it or 1/3 of it, so you can have some dry powder. But that's with any of your stocks, when they hit all highs, all-time highs. You could have bought them shares back when it came down to 417 a couple days ago. And if you're even smarter, you'll understand how to play the options, okay? You have to take profits or be stuck. Well, you got to keep putting money in, your dry powder. You stuck, your money ain't making no money. It's just steadily being taken away because the stock going down. And that's where you got to kind of teach yourself charts. You got to understand when it's time to do those important decisions. Those decisions can make or break you and have you bitter at the world. Okay? Now back to normal programming. Yes, you have investments as well as trades. That's how you grow. That's how you grow. You can't grow with just $100, $1,000, $10,000. You gotta let it. You gotta learn. You gotta learn. You gotta keep learning. Don't ever stop learning. Don't ever stop learning. A couple years ago, I can remember I bought Tesla at $200-300. Took some profits, $300-400. Came all the way back down to 100. 2022, 2023, something like that. I was buying some oil, gold, uranium stocks. Keeping my eye on Tesla. Started buying at 100, 140, 180. Rolled it back up to $400. Took profits. 2023, 2024, bought it again at 180. Last year, this time. 220. Sold at 480 before Christmas. Added more at $3. Well, it was option, but 300 when it was at 300. When the stock was at 380, I added a little bit because I was trading in and out. So even on my long term, I averaged up long ago. But I don't care about the average. I care about my profits and what I can do with that in the next trade, in the next pool. So like I said, you gotta take some profits, dip in the pool, dip in the next pool. And you go down, start buying. As it go up, take a little profits. Come down. Do a little bit of both. It go up more. That's where you take profits. Buy some property for your taxes, your business, get your accountant for all that. Don't be afraid to take profits.